friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making okra curry, that is our binda curry. And you know that binda we always cook with the yogurt in back to home, and it is our very popular recipes in India. Binda curry, that is we cook with the dahi, and it's really tasty. So I really love that. So let's go, we follow the recipes about that. This is, I have 2 cups of yogurt, like 500 grams binda, okra, and just 1/4 of uh, onion. I love onion in okra, so I add that. And also some dry ingredients. I have hing as a potato, just like 2 pinch of it, and then 2 red chili pepper. This one, the less spicy one, like a spoon, and spicy one is like a half teaspoon. Also, the turmeric is like 1/4 teaspoon. Coriander powder is like half teaspoon, and half teaspoon of salt. And here for the tempering, I have uh, cumin seed 1 tablespoon, few of them like quarter, less than quarter spoon, about the methi seed, and also this is rye mustard seed. So let's we start. First we will put our okra to fry. Just a couple tablespoon of oil, and we will add our onion. After onion, we don't have to do that too much frying on that, but we will make sure that okra is getting well fried. So with the onion, okra will be really very good, you know, good aromas, and also it's cooked with the onion little bit, so it will give little bit sweet taste. So at this point we will let our okra fry. So friends, now we can start our another process while okra is cooking, and we will just stir it in between. So you can see that it will take few minutes to cook okra. So now we are making recipes for our curry. So this is all dry ingredients will go in this one. This one I have like 2 cups of yogurt, and with this we will add friends, you can see that I'm adding like 1 tablespoon of garlic, because you know that without garlic recipe is not getting complete, right? So now you can see that it's not any lumps. Also I'm adding couple tablespoon of gram flour, chana flour. So friends, you can see that now our okra is getting very good cooked, and still we have to fry a little bit more, but you can see that there is not much like sticky, you know. So what is the best method to clean okra? Once you clean with the vinegar water and let it dry, completely water goes evaporate, and after that you can wipe it off with a paper towel. so there is no water at all, and I let it cook. I let it stay outside few minutes, like probably 20 minutes before I start cooking. So you can see that there is no sticky, at all. So now at this side we will start our curry. So we will add couple tablespoon of oil. We'll add cumin seed. And mustard seed, and also our fennel seed, methi. You can see that now our methi is changing color. At this point we will add our curry leaves. Little bit of hang. Yogurt mix. Now I will add about like a half cup more water. And we will let it cook until it comes to boil. And also other side we will check our okra too. Okra needs another couple of more minutes. So friends, you can see that now our okra is well done, and also our curry got boiled. So at this point we will turn off okra and add to the curry. And now we will let it cook until one boil, and you can see that is very good aromas with the yogurt and fried okra. So we will let it cook probably like another 3 minutes. So friends, now you can see that our okra got very well cooked with the curry, and at this point I will turn off stove, and we will add our garnish, which is cilantro. So friends, you can see that our curry is done, and I like to share with you couple of tips, especially when you fry okra. Just cook it in the pan like 75%. We don't need to let it get burned all the way, like sometimes it gets like very soggy and black type. Rather than just keep it like little bit good standing, and like 25% you can cook it with a yogurt. So you can see that it's really turning very well. And if you like, please share with your friends and family and leave comments to us. And I will be back another simple recipes. If you have any question, let me know to leave in our comments box. I'll be back again with another simple recipes, and have a blessed day.